In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the subtitle font on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, and then you want to go down and select Preferences. Select the Subtitles/OSD button near the top here, and then you want to go down to underneath Subtitle Effects versus Font. You can click in the drop down here, select from a different font on this list that you're looking for, or you can just type it in at the top, and then select Save to save it at the bottom, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.